Hey everyone, and welcome to our review of the Active by PopSugar fitness app. Download links are down below. Let's dive in. This app is perfect for anyone wanting fun, effective, and diverse workouts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Active by PopSugar has something for you. It offers a huge library of on-demand classes led by top trainers, from strength training and yoga to dance, cardio, and Pilates. Easily find the perfect workout using filters for duration, intensity, equipment, and even specific goals. Need more structure? Follow one of the app's workout plans designed for weight loss, muscle building, or improved flexibility. Short on time? Try a quick-hit workout. Active by PopSugar also integrates with Apple Health to track your progress. The app is easy to use and boasts top-notch video quality. Plus, the trainers are super engaging and motivating. So, who is this app for? Busy people, fitness enthusiasts, and anyone who enjoys working out at home or on the go. There's a free trial and affordable subscription options too. Bottom line, Active by PopSugar makes fitness accessible, enjoyable, and effective. It's a great tool to help you stay active and crush your fitness goals. Try it out and transform your routine.